In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit Shopify products using a CSV file. This process can save you a significant amount of time if you need to update numerous products at once. We'll go through the steps of exporting your product data, making your changes in a spreadsheet editor like Google Sheets, and then importing those changes back into Shopify. First, to get started, you need to export your Shopify products. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Here, you'll want to click on Export, which allows you to choose whether to export all products or just the ones currently displayed on your page. For most purposes, selecting to export all products ensures that you have the complete range of your inventory to work with. Make sure to choose CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs when you do this, and then click on Export Products. This download will be your working file. Once you've downloaded your file, open it in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets. Here, you can start making your edits. There are various changes you might want to consider. For example, you could adjust product prices or update the stock levels to reflect your current inventory. If your product descriptions need a refresh or there are tags to be added, removed, or modified, now is the time to do it. However, be cautious not to remove or rename critical columns like handle, title, and variant SKU because these are essential for Shopify to match your data correctly when you re-upload the file. After completing your edits, you need to save the file in the correct format. Ensure you save it as a CSV UTF-8, delimited, to prevent encoding issues that could arise during the import. Now, it's time to import the updated CSV back into Shopify. Return to the Products page in your Shopify admin and click on Import. You'll see an option to add your updated CSV file here. An essential step is to select Overwrite any current products that have the same handle. This setting is crucial because it tells Shopify to update your existing products with the new data rather than adding duplicate entries. After you've chosen your file and set the Overwrite option, click on Upload and Continue. You'll be presented with the details of your import. Take a moment to review this information to ensure everything looks correct. If it all seems fine, proceed by clicking on Import Products. Shopify will then apply all the changes you've made, updating your product catalog in bulk. By following these steps methodically, you can efficiently update a large number of products, making the management of your Shopify store much more streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your e-commerce management a bit easier.